What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. I know I've been gone for a while, you feel me? I had some army stuff to take care of, annual training, if you know about that. If you don't, feel me? I was at work, so I've been gone for a while. So I just wanted to give y'all a little update on the Hellcat. So the Hellcat is officially totaled. I already got the check from the insurance company, so I will be getting a new vehicle soon. So I just want to update y'all on that right fast. What the new vehicle will be. If I can find a good deal on something already supercharged, let's say like a Z01 or a Mustang, I'm gonna probably go that direction. If not, if I'm going NA, I'm gonna probably go Mustang. Mustang probably one of the fastest NA cars, other than, you know, like a Camaro or something like that. So we'll see how it goes, how everything plays out. But yeah, so like I said, the Hellcat is totaled out. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not tripping over it. I know y'all might be mad or whatever, but you feel me? Everything happens for a reason, you feel me? You gotta move on. You can't just linger on stuff, you know? So we're gonna move on from this. Like I said, we got a lot more content coming soon. I know I've been slacking this year, but I'm gonna get back to it, y'all, I promise. I just gotta figure out what the next steps are, what's best for me. So I am looking at like a Mach 1 Mustang. I'm looking at a regular 5.0. Looking at a Z01, possibly the new M3, and maybe even like a Trackhawk or something like that. I might, you know, stay in the Mopar family if I can find a good deal on like a Trackhawk or something like that. But yeah, leave a comment below, like out of those choices, or if you think, or if you have an opinion on what I should get, you know, furthermore out or down the line. What do you think? Just leave a comment, like, what do you think I should get, or what would you get after getting the Redeye? Because in my opinion, there is nothing really too much that can compare. I'm not trying to say it like that, but like once you go from 900 crank horsepower, possibly 1,000 crank horsepower, to something else, it's like it's barely anything that can compare to that. I know y'all see the new Tesla came out, the Tesla S Plaid. If I had the cheese for that, I probably would. That junk run like a 9.3 quarter mile, 60 to 130, like 4 seconds. That thing is a beast, and it drives itself, and it's all electric. So in a few years, I feel like electric cars will be taking over, but this is like, these next couple years, like the last run that we're gonna have with, you know, combustion engine vehicles. So I'm trying to make the best of it. I'm trying to make it memorable. You know, go out with a bang or whatever, something like that. You know, trying to build, you know, possibly the last car, because this new generation coming up, I feel like it's really gonna be electrified. Maybe not this generation, but for sure next generation, it's gonna be like all electric vehicles. Plus, you know, the emissions and the EPA, they're trying to make stop the sales of combustion vehicles, or at least new ones for now. But yeah, so like I said, those are the options right now. Leave a comment below on what you think I should get. I mean, I listen to y'all. Like, I really care about y'all opinions, more than y'all probably think. Not with like the negative stuff, but like, you know, staying on a positive note, like, you know, actually trying to help. Like, I really do appreciate y'all input and stuff like that. So just leave a comment below what y'all think I should get, and we'll go from there. Like I said, so I got the check from the insurance company. I got actually a little more than what I owe for the vehicle, so I have a nice little down payment for the next vehicle. I'm literally just waiting for the loan that I had for the Redeye to come off my credit report, and then I'll be, you know, getting a new vehicle. But while I'm waiting for that, it should be like within the next week or two. But while I'm waiting for that, I'm trying to, you know, do my research on what car is this is my category. So what cars are buildable, what cars are affordable, what cars do well on YouTube. Like, I would have got a Z01, but I see like Z01s really don't do that well on YouTube because they're so limited in power. And I don't know, like the LT4 blower is kind of, it's the smallest blower, and it's like the wackest blower in my opinion of all three, the big three, in my opinion. I mean, you might think differently if you're a Corvette guy or Camaro guy, but the LT4 is like probably one of the weakest blowers, and overheating blowers on the market, in my opinion, based off what I see on YouTube and personal different people that have these cars. I feel like it's just not it. But you can always replace the blower with something. You can always port it or whatever. But I don't know. I don't think that's the move. I was looking at the Mach 1. The only thing that's drawing me away from that is like the price. From what I'm hearing, it's just like a parts bin vehicle, and they just putting like GT350 parts from the old GT350s onto this, like on a Mustang platform. And then with the manifold, they took the manifold from the Bullet, which is the same one from the GT350, and it's like a 5.2. Like the engine is still a 5.0, don't get me wrong, but like the manifold is from like a 5.2 Mustang engine. So a lot of applications, like supercharged applications, don't really go on it. I mean, I think there's one made for like a Whipple or something like that for what's the name of it, for like the Bullet and the Mach 1s, but it's really limited to that. I don't even think there's a Roush blower with that's compatible with the Mach 1s and the Bullets. But I don't know, like I said, we're gonna figure it out. Now with the Trackhawk, Trackhawks are like, they're up in value for some reason right now. Honestly, all the vehicles are up in value in my opinion. That's kind of the reason why I don't want a Redeye again, because all of them are like marked up for some reason. Like, I don't know why right now. I think it's because of the part shortage or like the chip shortage or whatever is going on, that all of the used car market and the new car market is like way above like MSRP for some reason. And I find that kind of odd. That's also another reason why I kind of want to go with a Mustang. Whereas if I go for like a Trackhawk or say like a Redeye or something like that, they can mark it up no problem, because it's a special vehicle, you feel me? Even GT500, like all of those are going for like 100K, and they're supposed to be start off at like 70. Like it's a 30K markup. Like, I don't know, it's ridiculous right now. But I'm gonna figure it out, yo. I'm gonna keep doing my research. Yeah, this is the end of the video. If this is your first video, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, I got a lot of stuff coming soon for y'all, I promise. Y'all just gotta be patient with me, you feel me? I'm going through this process alone. Just, you know, hang in there. I got y'all. But if you want me to get a Mustang, if you support the Mustang, because that's really my #1 car right now, leave a comment below and just, you know, tell me get the Mustang or get the Mach 1 or whatever. Like I said, leave what y'all want me to get in the comment section below. Yeah, but this your boy j.koolii. I'm out this thing. Y'all have a blessed day. I got a few more uploads coming soon, just little stuff, you know, just to keep the channel going. But yeah, I'm out this thing. I'll see y'all later. Peace.